Here's how to add a home button to your iPhone screen. Now let's first just head into your settings. You'll be able to see on the iPhone, there's not a default built-in home button like there is on Android, but we can always add one in. To be able to do that, we need to get into your accessibility. So tap on accessibility, and then from here, we're gonna go to touch. Now within accessibility touch, you can see assistive touch. This essentially, we can mimic a home button if you have a newer iPhone without the physical home button, or even if you have an old one with that physical home button, you can still just add this in if it doesn't work. So I'll show you how to configure it. Let's go to assistive touch and turn this on. You'll be able to see it adds this little menu button here. I can tap on it and it pops up with a menu. However, we don't necessarily want it to do that. So let's modify this instead so that it automatically goes home and maybe does some other cool things that you might want it to do. So what we're gonna do, instead of a single tap to open up the menu, we're gonna go to single tap, and instead, we're just gonna scroll down and choose home. Now, after you've done that, I would highly recommend going to other things like a double tap, and you can do certain things like the app switcher. Now, after I've done that and set those, let me show you how it works. I'll single tap on it and I'll immediately go home, aka a home button. However, if I double tap on that, you'll be able to see it automatically brings me into the app switcher. I can choose whatever else I want to. I can have it take a screenshot. I can have it turn on Siri or flashlight, a bunch of different options to be able to control that home button.